I genuinely fell for you when I wasn't looking for love, when I was chasing a dream. And I don't really believe in fate or destiny, but when I met you, I felt that somehow I'm finally home. I finally found the one. Sabi ko nga, hindi ako naniniwala sa destiny or sa fate before. Pero nung na-meet ko siya, sabi ko, sa dami-dami ng decision ko sa buhay, siguro tama yung mga decision ko kasi napunta ako sa tamang tao.
Mahal na mahal kita at tandaan akong harapin ang buhay kasama ka. Love you.
Matagal nang palaisipan sa akin kung paano ba talaga malalaman kung siya na yung the one. And then 3 years ago, I met you. Ganun pala yun. Ilang buwan pa lang tayo yung nagkakausap. Isang beses pa lang tayo nakikita that time. Nasabi ko na agad sa sarili ko na mukhang iba to. This time, I think it's different. It's like I've known you for such a short period of time, yet I feel like I love you for a lifetime.
You would always ask me if I would date you if we met in college. Ang palagi kong sagot, hindi ko alam. Maybe we were not meant to meet each other back then because God was orchestrating for us to meet at the right place and at the right time.
Marahil, Jenny, mapalad ka. You need to treasure this day na si Gerald nag-aantay sa iyo ang haba ng nilakad mo. At proud na proud si Gerald at handang isigaw na ikaw lang ang mamahalin niya.
Thank you, Nay. Tumayo kang ama at ina sa aming magkakapatid. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi mabait naman si Eko.
Mabait.
Mabait din naman ako. May mag-aalaga na rin sa akin.
Oo nga.
Tapos, hindi rin naman magbabago yung pagmamahal ko sa inyo, pamilya ko. So, huwag kang mag-alala. Andito pa rin ako para sa inyo.
Sana ay pagkalooban kayong parehas ng kalakasan ng katawan at mahabang buhay pa na magsasama. Maraming salamat sa pagtuturo niyo sa akin kung paano magkaroon ng mabuting pamilya at yun ang aking gagawing ehemplo sa pagkakaroon ko din ng pamilya sa future. Mahal na mahal ko kayo parehas.
Si Eko ay super mapagmahal sa family niya, which I really, really adore and I really, really admire.
Handa ka bang magsakripisyo? Handa ka bang magsakripisyo? Sa pagmamahal po mga kapatid, ay lagi yang handa ka dapat magsakripisyo. At sa pagsasakripisyo mong iyon, yun po ay mararamdaman na tunay ang pagmamahal.
Actually, to be honest, ang bata ko nung nawala. Alam ko na mahal niya ako. Alam ko na inalagaan niya kami. Alam ko na mabuti siyang tatay. Pero yung pinakamasakit is yung what if. What if nandito siya? Love, I know that there is another guy that you badly want to be with us in our special day. And I know that he is always looking after you. And that he is very proud of the women that you have become. Thank you, love. See you later.
And I love the way that you can't tell a lie. You're an angel and I can't believe you're mine.
Cheers to a lifetime full of happiness and love. I love you, Echo. See you later. Yours, now and forever, Z.
Pretty good at being wrong for my whole life. But with you I know there's one thing I got right. On days when it's easy, on days when it's hard, you don't have to be nervous, just fall in my arms. My love is a sure thing that you'll never lose. No matter what this life puts us through, I choose you. It's the way you make me wanna say these words.
I must admit, it's challenging, but our love is stronger than the distance keeping us apart. I will endure those dizzying bus and train rides, long waiting time in the airport, and turbulence in the air, just so I can be with you. Dahil kahit malayo ka, ikaw ang aking tahanan.
Easy on days when it's hard. You don't have to be nervous, just fall in my arms. My love is a sure thing that you'll never lose. No matter what this life puts us through, I choose you. I do, I do, I do, I choose you.
I know that life won't always be easy, but knowing that I'm going to do it with you makes me very, very excited about our future.
Days when it's hard,
I love you,
well, I
Echo,
promise it's
forever
worth
and eternity.
just
I love
fall
you.
in my arms. As long as my heart beats, I swear that